Today I will show you how to add a hyperlink to any text in your Figma file. So I will add a file to my YouTube link of the channel to this YouTube text. So you need to highlight the text you want to add a link to. You highlight the text and you click this button, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+K. You click that and you type or paste the URL. I pasted the URL of my YouTube channel, click enter, and now you have the link. Now when you click on it, you go to the link you pasted. Also you can add a link to the page. For example, let's say we have another page. Let's add a second page. You can right click and copy link to page. Now let's highlight this text, click this and paste link. Now when I click this, I will go to the second page. You can also do the same thing with the frame. You can use a link of the frame, or you can use a link of the other Figma file. And that's it.